Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's task is simple but crucial. Install the HTTPD package on all our application servers and make sure it starts automatically after a reboot. First, we SSH into the application server 1 using our standard user account. Since installation and service management require elevated privileges, we immediately switch to the root user. Now, for the main step, installing the package, we use install -y HTTPD. The -y flag bypasses the confirmation prompt. The package is installed, we need to start the service right away to verify it's working. This command creates a symlink so the HTTPD service will start automatically every time the server boots up. Finally, a quick Systemctl status HTTPD to confirm everything is active, running, and properly enabled. Looks good. We now perform the exact same steps on App Server 2 and App Server 3. SSH, become root, install HTTPD, start it, and enable it. With all servers updated, we can go back and confirm the task is complete. And that's it, a quick, standard admin task completed successfully. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more daily system admin tasks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.